Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily label contact as a customer, or how you can change contact to a customer in Xero. So as you can see, let's click on customers, and I would add a customer. I would name him customer 123. I will click save here and OK. As you can see, my customer wasn't added to customers. He was added to all, and we can find him right here, customer 123. So what you need to do to add contact to your customer list, you need to go to plus, then you need to create an invoice. Who is it for? Customer 123. You can have a reference. I'm going to add an item, invoice number, whatever, and then when you got it, you can like send it. And he should be up his base or whatever, or like right now. As you can see, it's in customers right now. Customer 123, and this is how we do it. So this is how we can create a customer in Xero. There is no other way around it. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.